Hi dear, welcome back to my channel. Before I start the video, meron nga po pala tayong giveaway, a brand new phone with earphone, charger, phone case, and SIM card, plus 4,000 cash load. All the mechanics is on the description. If you want to join, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hi dear, welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, this is the Overfood. Yan, so yun yung name ng app nito. So let us know kung if this app is we can earn extra income. So you can download on your Play Store, guys. So download nyo lang naman siya, and then click nyo lang yung Play. So super cute and very girly and pambata, Overfood. And then let's wait for the loading. And for the cash out, crazy cash out here is all you need to do to have a 1,000 points or $1,000, and then you can cash out na via PayPal. So if you fill up nyo lang, fill in nyo lang yung account nyo rito, and then just cash out kung naka $1,000 na kayo. So paano laruin ang game? So you have to sign in, and then every sign in per day you will receive a $100, or depende sa second day madadagdagan pa yan. So as of now, naka $100 na tayo. And then so may mga ads na lumalabas, and then ayan, so may lumalabas na coins. So nabigyan tayo ng 6,000 coins. So ang gagawin nyo lang naman is i-tap nyo lang yung pinakataas. So medyo mahina siguro yung internet ko. And then yon, so yung mga tap na yan, yung mga lollipop na yan, yung mga food, yung donut, itatapat nyo lang dun. Pag bumabagsak siya, dapat mga same. Like for example, si lollipop, so babagsak mo dun siya dun sa same lollipop din. So same color, so same size, and then you will receive a PayPal money. So we have here $740 in our PayPal account. So ganun lang siya laruin, guys. So pambata siya, madali siyang intindihin, and then mas nag-e-enjoy ako maglaro dito. And then may maraming mga ads talaga. So ayun, alam mo naman yung mga ads na ito yung nagbabayad sa developer, and sila yung mga develop para may pambayad sila sa mga user. Okay, so super cute. So itatap nyo lang naman yan. So ako, kahit na hindi ko na siya itap ng mga parang mabilis lang na tap, and then nagkakaroon naman ako ng score. So okay, so alright, so pag nag-cash out kayo, i-click nyo lang naman yung mismong PayPal money doon sa pinakataas. Ayan, so kapag naka $1,000 na tayo, so let me know in the comment section kung ano masasabi nyo sa earning app na ito, or na-download nyo na ba ito, nakapag-cash out na ba kayo. And then this is my point of view sa app na ito. So dahil naka $1,000 ako dito, then napakabilis ng kanilang para maka-earn ng $1,000 in order for you to cash out. So $1,000, that's equivalent to 50,000 pesos in a couple of 5 minutes no paglalaro. So parang I think this app is budol again, and then not paying. So let's be aware do sa mga ganito mga app, kasi marami pa rin talaga na naloloko pa rin, na just waste of your nagwe-waste lang kayo ng time and effort, na nagpupuyat lang kayo, and then wala naman kayo makakash out talaga. Okay, so I hope nakatulong ang video na ito, guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and let me know in the comment section kung ano masasabi mo sa app na ito. Alright, so this is the Overfood. Ayan. Thank you, and till next time. Bye!